welcome to my channel. If you're a new visitor here, my name is Shea. Thanks for stopping by. If you're a returning visitor, what's poppin'? I'm glad you came back to visit me again. And if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button. I would appreciate it. And make sure you hit the bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. So today's video is going to be the Ivy Storehouse unboxing for July. I'm back on track. And this came faster than I expected. If you watched my last Ivy Storehouse unboxing, you saw that I was like, I don't know when it's gonna come. I think I got a notification for it. Yeah, it came the same day. So this is gonna be the unboxing for this month. And hopefully it's full of some stuff that I actually like. Let's see. And they still is pretty good because your girl decided to do some acrylics on herself. I did these myself. Now I'm not gonna get all up in the camera because I'm not no big nail guru. But, you know, we working towards something. We working towards, you know, being oh my God. All right, that was a little harder than I expected. Yeah, but again, this is what the box is looking like. Same box from last month with the tea roses on the top. Ivy box, shield, all that good stuff. So when I first opened it, right here. But I mean, that really don't matter. But it's just something that I saw. So the theme for this month is Game On. This is what the card looks like. I'm not sure if that's focused. Hopefully. So, an Alpha Kappa Alpha pretty pink and green jersey, an Alpha Kappa Alpha pink and green leggings, and then pearl hoop earrings. Oh, I forgot about this. This was on Friday. I mean, at this point, it's too late. But they had the Ivy, the bulk sale. So the first item that I see in the box is the jersey, I'm guessing, because it has the buttons on it. Oh, this is cute. So it's all white and it says pretty, like Team Pretty, with the pink and green on it. And on the back it says well, on the back it says Alpha Kappa Alpha 08. It's really nice. I think it's kind of different as far as, oh, and they have the shield on the sleeve. This is the left sleeve. I think it's kind of different because I personally have not bought any period that looks like this. But I definitely can foresee myself wearing this, but it has to be like something specific. I don't think I'll just like rock it. So I love this jersey. I don't know if I'll wear it like by myself going certain places. I just feel like it's more of a theme. I think it'll look really cute if it were like a lot of different stores wearing that. But I will also need somewhere to wear it to, because where am I wearing paraphernalia to right now in quarantine? I might just rock it one day randomly around the house. I don't know. It's cute. I like it a lot. They're on to something with that one. So next item I see are the leggings. Already just looking at them in the packaging, it seems like it might be a bit much. Let's see. So it's salmon pink, apple green, very vibrant colors. They're gonna see you coming. They're gonna know you are a member of Alpha Kappa Alpha if you have these on. Not because of the AKA on it, but because of the color, the vibrancy. Like it's very just, it's super pink, super green. You get it. It matches the jersey, but yeah, I'm not sure if I'd necessarily rock these together. I don't know. That's very team AKA. That's like I'm about to go play kickball or baseball or something like that in the name of AKA and do that. I don't necessarily know. These tights, these are cute, but it's a bit much for me. I'm more of a black leggings, brown leggings type of person. Like this is a lot. So I don't know if I would necessarily wear it all together, but I like these too. The feel is very nice, and let's see if it's see-through. It's not see-through. I can see the light, but it's only because it's so bright, but I can't like literally see through it. So that's something that I do like as well. A lot of times you have the worry of, you know, can you see my like underwear through my tights? I don't think that's gonna be a problem with these because they seem to be you know, not see-through, which is something that we look for in tights. So I like them separately. I don't know if I would like them together as a full fit because I think it's a lot. All right, so the last thing are the earrings. I love when they put their jewelry in the little packaging like this. It just does something to me. I really don't know why. I don't even really be reusing these things, but I just like to see them. So, let's see. Typically, I'm like a big, you know, the big hoops. That's me. But these should be interesting too. All right, these are kind of snazzy. This is what it looks like. It's kind of like a small-ish hoop. Just a proed out hoop. Let's see. We'll replace this earring with the hoop. These are cute. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, we like it. These are cute. Let me switch these things out real quick. You feel me? He gonna finish the video out in the hoops. All right. Yeah, I can do these. I can definitely do these. If nothing else, you'll more than likely see me in these hoops because these are really cute. These get the job done, get the point across, all that good stuff. All right, I think my favorite item in this box are gonna be these hoops. I think I will get the most wear out of these, and they're just super cute, super just to the point, but still a statement without having to be too loud. Like I like these a lot. I do like the clothing items too. So this box was a hit for me. I think that they did what they had to do with this box. I give them kudos for that. They got the job done. All right, so if you made it all the way to this part, I really appreciate you so much. If you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button so you can join the Shea Squad, and also hit the bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. All right, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.